Or you having problems with your Facebook dating profile not being visible and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself I had the exact same problem before and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So basically what you need to do firstly is to close your Facebook app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. So just go into your settings app, and as you can see you should now be taken to this page right here, which is great. So we're just going to scroll down right here and then click on general. Then you're going to scroll down here again and click on storage, as you can see, because then it should now take us to this page, which is great. So on this page we can just scroll down in here and find Facebook. We can just click on show all here, as you can see, and scroll down and find Facebook. So now in here click on upload app, and once again click on upload app in here. We're just going to wait for it to load and click on the reinstall app button here once again. So now you might wonder what will happen after you have done this, and that's a very good question. So basically the intent for this is that you're going to automatically force your Facebook app to update to its latest version. So by doing this, you're actually going to update your Facebook app to its absolute latest version, which means that all the bugs and all the things that was in the previous version is hopefully now going to be fixed for you. So if you're still using like an old Facebook app, for example, or you don't have the newest version, basically that can actually contribute to this type of problem. So I did this myself, then I went back into my Facebook app, and now actually my Facebook dating profile was visible. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.